Okay, so here we are taking a second look-see at this ABS black plastic stack, which is what this is. And we took a second look with the camera. Grabbed the camera, sent it upward, past this transition, and notice that just above is another small section of ABS. It's about 12 inches long, maybe less. It's just a turn. I'm not sure which way that turn is going, but it's just a turn that connects to a new section of PVC. Not sure why not get rid of it. I would rather it go. Aside from that, coming down, all ABS black plastic pipe, all ABS. When I got here, there was a small leak right here and can't see where it's coming from. I don't see any bleeding streaks, and that's filthy, but it's not fresh, and neither on anything on the back. When I reach back here, this pipe, as it was constructed, has a seam back here. That seam is cracking from the inside, which I do have a picture of, but it hasn't cracked all the way through yet. It is, though, in development. Now, how we confirm that it hasn't cracked all the way through is we turned off all the lights in this room, put this camera, which has a really bright light, parked it around here, and did not see any light come out. So it hasn't cracked all the way through, but it is in process. Aside from that, went under the slab, continued the pipe, inspecting it as it went all the way out to the front. And what we saw is we saw black ABS pipe, a little bit of a back grade as it goes through the bathroom and past the bathroom, continues, and then just outside the foundation wall transitions to PVC, where it also continues as PVC further out. I'm not sure if that was replaced in the recent future, or at least prior, or just after the house was constructed, but there's definitely newer PVC outside. That being said, immediate need is the actual replacement of this entire stack. And what I would like to see, so we can minimize or reduce or completely eliminate liabilities, is I do want to indeed cut this drywall ceiling, cut this drywall on this side, as well as everything going down, and jackhammer the floor around this area in a 2x2 hole, so that I can pick up the last piece of ABS, wherever that is in here, as it connects to whatever is above. And I also want to pick up this 2-inch pipe. You know, it's connecting right there. There's that connection. I would like to pick up wherever the heck it's coming from and eliminate all that ABS pipe. It's just trash, okay? And then bring it all the way down as brand new PVC pipe, all the way past the underground where it makes a 90 and starts heading this direction, and right around here, cut it, remove it, and install all new PVC pipe. With this access a little bit lower, like right around here, have it installed there, all PVC, brand new, glued joints, no Fernco shear bands, and then continuing to wherever we have to go with this pipe. The only Fernco, this is a Fernco by the way, and that little metal sleeve, that's a shear band. So the only Fernco shear band we would have is at the transition right here between the brand new PVC and the old ABS. So that's what I want to do here, okay? Now this project over here, we have back grade in the pipe. It's not an immediate need. But if you go to sell this house and they do a sewer inspection with a camera, they're going to call this a problem. And it becomes a major negotiating point, because that's not a cheap thing to fix. So there is about a 10 to 12 foot, well, 10 foot back grade as it goes through the bathroom. And unfortunately, the only way to rectify that is digging up all these floors up to the point where it exits the house, and just before around this area, all the way through, unfortunately. So just be a heads up. It's not going to hurt you to have it that way right now unless it gets backed up with non-biodegradables. That is a problem. It's just not an immediate need. So we'll talk about it in a few.